We just arrived in Chichén Itzá and wow, it is beautiful. It's just what I expected. It's a little overcast today, kind of cloudy, but it's nice because it's fresh. The sun isn't out, but it's not raining. So all the really good things are going on. And we're here very early, just past 8 o'clock. They open at 8 a.m. And as you can see, these are traveling in COVID times. There's like us and 2 other tourists here. So we pretty much have the place all to ourselves. So that's the nice part of traveling during COVID. But yeah, it's really wonderful. And we're gonna explore and walk around. We are up bright and early. Woke up at 6:30 this morning and we are leaving the house 7:30 and going straight to Chichén Itzá. I'm really excited because this is something I've wanted to do for years. Finally we're going, and it opens at 8 a.m. so we're actually staying only 6 minutes driving from Chichén Itzá, our hotel, so it's perfect. We're gonna be there right on time. Hopefully the first one's in. We're walking around right now in the Chichén Itzá and it's very quiet, but you hear this buzzing noise as you go towards the back of the main pyramid, and there seems to be bees everywhere, but the Mayan bees do not actually sting, so there's no problem there, but it is a little scary just hearing them buzzing around you, and you know, your immediate reaction is, oh no, you know, a bee, but actually they're fine, they're not bothering us. So that's what we were told, was the Mayan bees, which of course Mayan bees would be here in this Mayan ruins, do not actually sting you. So not to worry, not to be afraid of them. I'm standing here in front of the Temple of the Warriors. Now this is a lesser known temple right behind the very famous big pyramid that you might see in all these pictures. Very famous, but it's also very nice. It's a little smaller, but it's really beautiful as well to see. Make sure to follow our social media accounts, where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Here, I leave you with one more video to watch. Just click the photo on the left-hand side. Enjoy!